Good morning, friends. Everything can be taken away from us, but not our attitude. The way we look at things, our perception, our perspective. There is something that makes all the difference. All of us in our journey, we witness ups and downs. I'd like to share something from the book Man's Search for Meaning. It's by the author Viktor Frankl, who was a prisoner at a concentration camp, and the prisoners suffered a lot over there. They hardly had proper clothes to wear. They would get hardly anything to eat, I would say, just one loaf of bread every 2 or 3 days. So, those circumstances, the environment over there made it very difficult for them to anticipate that something good will come out of the next day at least. But they didn't lose hope. Even in such bleak circumstances, they found meaning. The most beautiful thing that comes out of the book, or stands out, what's the biggest takeaway, is when the author, Dr. Frankel, says that rather than always expecting things from life, it can, as an example, it can be anything like, it can be a great career, it can be a great car, on those lines for that matter. Of course, there is nothing wrong in pursuing wealth, status, a huge bank balance. However, while doing so, we also have to remember that we have a duty towards life. It's a moral obligation, actually, that we need to give back to life for all that it has done for us. And how do we do that? We do that in our small gestures by being kind to others, or there is something more that you can do. Of course, in your family at home itself, you can help your parents, you can spread smiles around, you can go with them to the market, buy groceries. That is something that you can do. I personally am pretty good at creating videos, so I create videos on birthdays when it comes to my family members actually. So do think about something that you can do for others. It need not be big or grand. It can be the simple joys of life, and they make all the difference. Okay, so do catch up on that book as well. The book's name is Man's Search for Meaning. Thank you, and have a nice day.